Man, getting one of those summer storms come through. I tell you what, that wind is howling. We needed some rain for the Luffa, and it had only rained a little bit this morning, but tell you what, it's coming through now. Saw some gusts come through. They look like they are 30-40 mile an hour, just bending the trees. They can come, wind can come through this valley here and just kind of funnel through and blow really really hard. Should be getting plenty of water there for the Luffa. Hopefully the wind doesn't damage the vines. I guess we'll see later, but at least we're getting our water. Yeah, here comes a gust. Woo! Man. There's no birds going to the feeder today. Not in this. Have had hummingbirds come up, but not when it's howling like that. See, not too much is staying dry there on the porch. The ducks are loving it. It's kind of funny, the chickens hide, but the ducks, they'll come out. I can see them over there. All right, we'll stay dry.